this bike. In Saskatoon. What a great place to live. So excited to be back out riding with you guys. How's it going? It's Jay. Welcome back to Riding in Search of Enlightenment. As you can probably hear, I have a new microphone setup for my GoPro. So I'm hoping that this is spectacular and it sounds really nice for you guys. The bike sounds great. She really likes that new exhaust. Really responsive. I'm kind of getting the old fuel out. There's a little bit of fuel that I put some fuel saver in for the season, just for the winter. So part of that spring riding is getting some new fuel in the tank and pushing some of that old fuel out. So there was a little sputtering when I first started her, but she's riding really nicely now. When the bike is decelerating, or if I like gear down to like kind of jake it, it feels like there's less resistance. Ooh, one of my favorite scenic roads. Pretty nice. Oh, I love Saskatoon in the summer and spring down by the river. Felt the back tire when I shifted up to second there. Drift on me. There's just so much power to be accessed on these 96 cubic inch engines when you get better airflow to them, man. Like, I was starving my bike. I don't know what the fuck was happening, but this is much better. It feels like there's a lot more power down at the tire. I don't know if I'm just crazy for that. Very fun though. Brother, another guy ripping around. Good stuff to see. Lots of new learners out here in Saskatoon. The bike scene's growing tremendously. Those winter months were pretty hard, guys. That was pretty trying, but to be back out on the bike completely balances my mood, makes me feel so much better. Look at this fool riding over the line. What a fool. Get out of here. Streets aren't bad for this time of year. There's not too much gravel all over the place, but just gotta watch the corners, man. We get lots of snow here, so they put down lots of salt and they put down lots of gravel, lots of sand. Shout out to Wow Pizza. Way meaner. Woke the demon up in her.